This is a special report from About Space Today.
The Starliner launches. I'm David Denault. Under a blue sky, it was the long-awaited go for launch.
Status check. Go Atlas. Go Centaur. Go Starliner. Godspeed, Butch and Suni.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition. And liftoff of Starliner Atlas V, carrying 2 American heroes, drawing a line to the stars for all of us.
Astronauts Butch Wilmore and Suni Williams are in orbit and will rendezvous with the International Space Station tomorrow, shortly after 12 noon. It will be a minimum of an 8-day mission ending in a landing in the deserts of Utah. This is only the 6th spacecraft that has ever been man-tested. During this afternoon's news conference, I asked both Administrator Bill Nelson and Associate Administrator Ken Bowersock about their experience of delays.
We'll now go back to the phone. We have David Denault with About Space Today.
Good afternoon. And I guess it's not maybe a coincidence that both the administrator and the associate administrator are sitting next to each other. But gentlemen, each of you had a unique experience. STS-61C and STS-73, long delays. How do you put yourself in like Butch and Suni and all of their delays? What was that like?
Okay, well, first I'll say that the administrator and I, he actually has the record because he did it first, but they scrubbed 6 times on his launch, and on one of my launches we scrubbed 6 times. So Butch and Suni, they didn't come anywhere close to that, right? They were in quarantine probably longer than I was because of the distance between their scrubs. But what I found with each one of my scrubs was we were a little more relaxed, a little more prepared, and we got a little more rested, and we were really good at strapping in by the time we got a few under our belt. I don't know. What about you, sir?
Same thing. At least the weather was not a concern for the 3 times on Starliner. The weather certainly played a big part with regard to some of our scrubs. So, it gets old hat when you strap in, and it's just another day at the ranch.
If the mission continues to go as planned, NASA could certify Boeing's crew transportation system for regular flights to and from the space station with crews on a rotating basis with SpaceX. I'm David Denault.
This has been a special report from About Space Today.